So if you're a fan of the channel or you see my most recent desk setup tour, you guys know that I'm a huge fan when it comes to RGB lighting. And if you take a look around this entire room, I'll tell you right now that about 80% of these RGB lights are from Govee. So when Govee reached out to me to check out their brand new latest gaming light strip G1, I was more than eager to give this thing a go. So in this video, I'm going to be, basically breaking this down, installing it, and let's see how well this reactive light actually performs and if it could actually hold the top spot here in my brand new studio. These new Govee gaming light strips are available in two different sizes, catering to the size of your monitor. You could choose between the larger strip that's designed for 27 to 32 inch monitors, or the smaller strip that's meant for the more common 24 to 26 inch monitors. In this instance, I'm going to be installing the larger variant. Now inside the package, the contents are pretty straightforward. We have the LED light strip that's neatly rolled up, accompanied by a control switch that's attached to the end of it. Additionally, there's an AC power adapter for plugging into the wall outlet. Also included, we have some clips to assist you in attaching the lights to the monitor's back, along with some alcohol pads for surface cleaning. Surprisingly, the installation process was much easier than I expected, mainly due to the design of the light strip itself. Taking a closer look, this strip boasts a sturdier build compared to Govee's original light strips. The bottom features a 3M adhesive, and notably, this light strip cannot be cut. Thin cable breaks separate each light strip, making twisting during installation more manageable. Start by cleaning the back edges of your monitor with the provided alcohol pad. Then follow the cable's direction. Longer edges at top and bottom, and the shorter strips running vertically. For added support where the cable lacks those nodes, use the clips from the package. This will minimize the cable protrusion, which is especially effective for curved monitors like I have. Plug the AC adapter into the switch and the wall, and go ahead and proceed to download Govee's official app on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, head to the Device tab and tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new device. The app will automatically scan for new devices, and once your correct device is detected, simply click on Add. Follow the pairing instructions by briefly pressing the power button on the control switch. After a few seconds, you'll be prompted to name your device. If you already have other Govee lights set up, they might connect and appear in your smart home device list for voice control. Once connected, the lights will turn on in one of three patterns. Select the corresponding pattern that matches your lights. You can then choose to connect your Wi-Fi to these lights, which I strongly recommend for synchronization later on. With this setup, you can control the lights directly from your phone, adjusting things like brightness, colors, modes, scenes, and more. Currently, I've set the lights to a simple white glow that matches my desk aesthetics, but feel free to choose your desired default color or effect. For further control, go ahead and visit Govee's website and download the Govee desktop app. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and click on the group control list. Then click on Dream View. Now, before you go on from here, make sure that the LAN control is enabled in the mobile app, and ensure that both your PC and your mobile app are connected to the same network router. I had some issues in the beginning because I use multiple different routers here in my studio, so go ahead and make sure you follow that step. I will save you some time. After that's done, go ahead and name your scene, and then your lights should automatically start reflecting the colors that your monitor is displaying. Now, here's a little bonus. If you guys do use Razer devices, you can actually connect these lights and pair them with the Razer Chroma Connect here, which is really awesome because all of your Razer devices and these lights will sync together. Currently, I'm rocking a Castlevania themed wallpaper, and the light strip mirrors that fiery orange glow from the interactive wallpaper very nicely. But let's go ahead and see what these lights can really do now that I have them all set up. In a nutshell, I've had a smooth and enjoyable experience with these Govee gaming light strips. The installation process was a breeze, and once I wrapped my head around the LAN control for connectivity, it was a walk in the park. The lights themselves have truly delivered on their promises. They are reliable, straightforward, and they deliver exactly what they advertise. Though I did notice this only really works well when gaming or when you're watching something in full screen. Smaller windows won't give you that super immersive reactive effect. One aspect that's worth highlighting is their impressive vibrancy, especially when they're the primary source of light in the space. The visual impact they bring to your setup is truly striking. What's even more enticing is the price point. Both sizes of these light strips come in at a wallet-friendly cost of less than $49.99. Plus, depending on when you're watching this video, you might luck out and catch them on a fire sale. And like always, you could find all links to these lights provided in the video description. In conclusion, the Govee gaming light strips have made a positive addition to my setup. If you're looking for an easy to install, hassle-free solution to elevate your gaming room ambience, these lights are definitely worth the buy. So that's my take on Govee's latest gaming G1 light strip. What do you guys think of these lights in general? And how many of you guys are planning on grabbing this for your own gaming studio? I'm really curious. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and leave these right where they're at because I absolutely just love these lights. The reactiveness is awesome. And even when I'm not using that reactive mode, I like to throw it in a nice white or blue ambience here to kind of match the rest of my desk theme. Pretty awesome. So if you guys are new to the channel and you want to subscribe, that would be great as well. Go ahead and hit that sub button, and do me a favor, if you like the video, maybe share it with a friend, give it a huge thumbs up. And that's it for me. Most importantly, you guys stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.